Hey guys, I haven't made an update in a while, but it's because it's been really cold out here. But this is the Z31's new home, and I'll be working on it here for a while. And I finally got half of the entry bay primer. Just wanted to let you guys know. Only half of it though. It's been primered. Then there's the other half. And yeah, just didn't have enough time today. I was trying to prep the whole thing, but I just ended up working on half. So hopefully next week I can have all of it primered, and at least I'll start painting it. But that's pretty much it. That's how she sits. But yeah, that's how she sits. Alright, thanks you guys. Bye.